Kaboosh!
Oh. Pie! Stop! There's no more pie!
You just need to pay.
All this time I've been baking pies. Do you think I'm gonna let you eat all of them?
Marion, give me the pie!
You'll have to kill me first.
No. I'm going to eat it all. Then we'll have pies beyond measures. And we will eat together.
I would rather die than eat with you, Guy of Gisborne.
No.
I'm going to eat with Robin Hood. I love eating wood.
What?
I love eating wood. Why?
You know why?
No!